Whew. Starting off today's vlog in the dark and nice and hot and sweaty already. So you guys saw we were loading the car up, got washed out again by the sun, and there we go. Could look better, but in movement you won't see that. So we got 4 new boys, tools, jack, the requirements. Close that door, get some drinks and some stuff loaded up, and then we'll make a little trip to Spirit Peaks for the day. Catch you guys there. And there you have it, boys and girls. We are at Spirit Peaks for the day. Let's get tacked in, let's get set up, get our stuff undropped. Ooh, tons of people already. Oh boy, it's wet. There's beautiful cars everywhere you look, and of course, I'm an idiot. I only brought lug nuts that fit 2 sets of tires. So technically I have 4. It would be the VS's that I drove on and then the Cobra knockoffs that I have on the back right now, but thankfully they have brand new tires. Should last me a while with how wet it is. I'm not worried about that. The main thing is it's so wet. I didn't bring a tarp though. So my cameras, my GoPro, my tools, the food that I brought, it's all gonna get wet if I leave it outside. So I'm waiting for someone that I know who's bringing a truck and stuff. When he shows up, I'm gonna load everything in his rig, and then we'll go out together because both of us are rusty and haven't driven in a while. So we'll get some laps here in a minute. It's only been an hour and we got a few left. So hopefully I'll get in some good footage for you guys and try and get some vloggy stuff happening. Catch you guys in the next few minutes. There. Got some funny sounding boosting noises, so let's check the coupler. It's wet, it's foggy. It is way hot in here. The heater, oh damn, that's loud too. The heater's not doing the greatest. I think it has a lot to do with how sweaty I am and stuff. Loud noise. It sounds like my exhaust is no longer attached. Oh, I wonder. Oh, I broke something down there somewhere. Shit. Well, time to get it up in the air and see if I gotta pull the V-band and yank the exhaust and drive it home open downpipe, which is gonna be fun. So, always fun. Time to get this back together. Everything's wet. It wasn't the coupler that fell off, it was actually the bolts for my turbo coming loose. So, tightened them up the best I could. We're gonna go do another lap, and sadly enough, my lunch is dead. But getting to drive with one of my besties and get back and hopefully get some more laps that don't suck. Bye! Joe? Oh. Yeah, no, it's fine. That's why I was like, oh shit, I don't want to crash! took my exhaust off. Yeah. Well, figured, ooh, you guys are getting kind of wet there. There we go. But, ooh, this is the part that we laugh at the most. That is totally my turbo falling off. So I'm gonna go ahead and get it tightened up, probably get everything loaded up, and actually most likely call it a day after that. I got the GoPro on still, let's get that shut off. But probably talked to a couple of the buddies. It was actually a great day. I didn't get as many laps as I wanted, on film at least, but everything else went great. Get home and coupler. Yep. I know that sound. Still makes great boost. Well, after a pretty decent day, you know it's really great to have friends who let you drive their cars that don't fall apart. Go ahead and get the wipers on. Oh boy, water on the belt. I'm gonna go ahead and drive home and we'll close this all out when I get home, guys. I needed to make sure I got this on camera before I got home. Oh, my exhaust has literally just destroyed itself the whole way home, I know it. So we'll be making that one from scratch. Oh, lovely noise. Lovely, lovely noise. Backyard through the alleyway, why? Oh, this is a dumb idea. Oh, this is a dumb idea. Oh, I'm making you guys go through this with me. Oh my lord. Oh, this is gonna suck. Oh, shit. Do we make it? At least it looks pretty, right? Yeah, that's always good. Walk right. Ooh. Was after beating on it all that time, let's get you guys actually over here so you can see. It never dropped below 50 pounds of oil pressure and it barely touches 180. But with that, get in here, get the lights on. Of course, my lunch got destroyed, so I didn't get food. So now I'm gonna get nice and toasty and warm and get some food in me. But with that, we'll let you guys go. Like, comment, subscribe, tell your friends. Savage Joe channel. We're here, we're doing stuff, and we're gonna do a lot more. Later, guys.